On today's menu, an easy recipe you'll get saucy with. Vegan teriyaki noodles.
Lei Ho Ma, I'm Yeung. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. Now this teriyaki noodles is so easy and so delicious, you'll definitely want to make this today.
Bring a pot of water to boil for the noodles. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 2 tablespoons maple syrup. 1 teaspoon black rice vinegar.
This black vinegar may be a little bit hard to find. If you can find it, just sub it out with regular rice vinegar.
A drizzle of toasted sesame oil. Grate 1 piece of garlic. Grate a small piece of ginger. Mix. Boil the udon noodles for half the time to package instructions, in this case 4 minutes. Quarter 1 cup of button mushrooms. Roughly chop 2 cups worth of nappa cabbage. Chop 2 sticks of green onion into batons. Strain out the water from the noodles and set aside. Saute pan. Medium heat. Drizzle of olive oil. Green onion. Mushrooms. Saute for a few minutes. Nappa cabbage. Saute for another 2 to 3 minutes. Noodles. Sauce. Stir until the noodles fully absorb the sauce.
By the way, I just want to take a moment to thank you very much for checking out or getting your copy of this amazing vegan ramen cookbook that I published not too long ago. Of course, you can check out more information about it or get your copy in the link above or a link in the description box below. Just want to take a moment to thank you very much for that. Now let's check out these amazing noodles.
Plate. Half tablespoon white sesame seeds. You can now make this delicious noodle dish with absolute confidence.
Like, who doesn't love a good teriyaki? That is absolutely amazing. Those noodles are so coated with flavor. That is so delicious. There really are just no words to describe how easy and absolutely delicious this amazing noodle dish is. You just have that incredible sweet, sour, salty, just that little hint of spiciness from that incredible ginger and that garlic. It's just phenomenal. The incredible flavor that is packed and soaked up in these incredible noodles. Fantastic. You definitely have to try making this. Definitely remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.